Hey, all you internet nutritionists, I got a meal hack for you. You're going to take 1 piece of chicken. This chicken has 2 grams of protein. Then you're going to take some more protein. This is 4 grams of protein. And you're going to put it on here. And then you're going to place it in your mouth. And then you're going to repeat. Chicken. Then you're just going to repeat until you've reached your protein goal for the day. Chicken. Protein. Enjoy. Be sure to follow and save this for more internet nutrition advice when Mama hails.